Hello everyone, welcome to Dioma Kitchen where delicious creations begin. Today I'll be showing you how I converted my little remaining stew to produce this lovely and sumptuous jollof rice, and I'll also be telling you little tips on how to get a nice and not gummy jollof rice. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video at the end after watching, and if you have not followed Dioma Kitchen, please do. We start by pouring in the vegetable oil into a hot dry pot. Then you add the chopped onions and garlic. Garlic is optional. After frying for a while, and you now add the stew, your little remaining stew. I added a sachet of tomato paste so I can increase the quantity of tomato in the rice. So you fry for a while, turn. After frying for a while, you then add the water and the meat stock. I normally prepare my meat stock beforehand and freeze it so that whenever I want to cook jollof or stew, I just pick it up and use direct. I don't need to start preparing new stock. Then I add crayfish, seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Crayfish is one of my major ingredients whenever I want to prepare jollof. After that, you allow the stock to boil very well before adding the parboiled rice. Don't allow the water to be too much. Let the water in the rice just be directly above the rice, because at the end we are going to use steam to cook the rice, not water. So after you've allowed the rice to boil, you now reduce your fire so that the rice will cook gradually. This is what is going to make you to have this wonderful and single rice, not a gummy one. Your rice will be so nice to feel. You can also apply the same method when you are boiling white rice. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and hope this little tip that I gave to you will help you to achieve a wonderful and a delicious jollof rice that you so desire to cook. Don't forget to like, follow, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.